In this video, I will show you how to type checkmark symbol in Microsoft Excel. So very easy and simple way to insert and to type this checkmark symbol. Firstly, click on Insert, then Symbol in Font. Select Windings, this one. Now here, scroll down. So here you will see this two type of check mark, without box and with box. Without box, character code is 252 and with box, character code is 254. So insert, and also you can use shortcut. So Alt plus 0252 and leave Alt key. So in font, select Windings, select font Windings, then press enter. Now press Alt, then 0252 and leave Alt key. Press Alt 0252. So this is the shortcut for check mark, and with box press Alt and hold 0254. So this is the way guys you can insert check mark in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.